Welcome to Traders Terminal. In this week's video lesson, we learn pre-trade routine for successful and profitable trading. Each of the points that we've mentioned in this video are very crucial in shaping your trading career. So make sure to watch this video till the very end to not miss out on any important information. Number 1. Creating intraday watch list. Do you know that 1600 plus stocks are listed in National Stock Exchange, of which 1300 are active? But 75% of market cap is comprised of Nifty 100 companies. Therefore, we recommend traders to either select Nifty 100 stocks or Nifty FNO listed stocks as a basket on which they'll decide their intraday trading watch list. For seasoned traders, we recommend a basket of Nifty 200 stocks to decide their intraday watch list. So to answer that question on how to select stocks for intraday, you can look at our video which we've shared on our channel, and it will be available in the playlist free intraday trading course, right? And we've shared 3 simple methods every trader can use in order to determine their intraday watch list. Also, on daily basis, we update our intraday watch list playlist for all the traders who are trading in the Indian stock markets. As we can see that this video was for the intraday watch list on Friday, then on Thursday, Wednesday, and so on and so forth. Alright, so you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to not miss on to daily updates on intraday watch list. Number 2. Pre-open market watch. From the intraday basket which you've picked for analysis, be it Nifty 100 or Nifty 200 or Nifty FNO scripts, between 9:08 am to 9:15 am, you should do the following. You select the top 10 gainers and top 10 losers. You also select the top 10 high volume scripts. Compare it to your intraday watch list to further refine it. Now, what do we mean by this? If you have a matching stock which is a top gainer or a top loser or a high volume script and is also present in your previously created intraday watch list, so that particular stock should get a priority in your analysis to find an intraday trade. Also, Edelweiss application, as you can see from the video, shows pre-open stock moves more efficiently. Disclaimer, we have no personal interest or personal benefits whatsoever in promoting this application. Alright, let's move on to the third point. Number 3. Live market routine. This is where traders bifurcate into euphoric trading or analytical trading. This is the most important test of a trader's psychology, and hence to have a proper live market routine is very crucial. What we recommend to traders is you need to select a review time frame to repeat the second step again. The second step where you select your top 10 gainers and top 10 losers, and then you select top 10 high volume scripts and compare it to your previously made intraday watch list. You have to repeat this again after say a couple of hours, that would be around 11 to 12 pm, alright, or just before the European markets opening, that is around 1 odd pm, right? So this will help you engage your time in more of analysis and not trade on euphoria. And then after you follow the step 2, what we recommend is you need to analyze the scanned stocks. The scanned stocks which you filter after steps 1 and 2, you need to analyze these stocks in your intraday strategy for trade entry and exit. So to help traders, we have created a playlist known as free intraday course, and as you progress in this intraday trading course, you will find that we've shared 2 intraday strategies. First is using ADX and RSI, that is breakout strategy, and another one is using super trend. Apart from that, in live market routine, we have a very important point, which is we should not try to catch every trade. If you try to catch every trade, you will most probably end up making loss. We've seen many traders who trade on pure euphoria, like for example, if there's a news outbreak and if a stock swings in a particular direction, they'll enter and then end up making huge loss. So we should wait for our technical confirmations, our strategy to confirm our entry and exit point, and not trade based on euphoria. Alright, number 4. Mindset. Your trading mindset will determine how long and how efficiently you'll be able to trade. Trading is a business. Profits and loss are part and parcels of any business. So I'd like to show you why we've mentioned this point and why this point is so crucial in shaping your trading career. This is a screenshot of the message we've received from a trader. So this is what I mean by mindset. I request traders to not trade if you're not able to take a loss of 500 to 1000 or 2000 in a particular trade, and you do not get overwhelmed by seeing losses. Alright, so to have a better mindset, we've added a couple of points which you may follow. Take a walk after each trade. Find out the least volatile hour of the trading session. Stop trading after 3 consecutive wins or losses. Don't look at your profits or loss while you are trading. Alright, let's move on to the next point. Discipline. Discipline will beat any form of analysis in trading. Emotional trading leads to overtrading, and overtrading will most definitely lead to capital erosion. To be a disciplined trader, we request traders to define your trading risk. What do we mean by this is that individual trader needs to understand how much of the loss can he or she bear in one particular trade. After determining that loss, you can trade with position sizing. We have explained this in our video how to trade, 3 simple methods on how to decide trade quantity and how to decide stop loss. And then the last point would be avoid enormous leverage. We have seen traders take full leverage in one particular call. If you're a seasoned trader, you sure can because you understand the risks associated with it. But if you're a beginner or an amateur, we recommend you to not take entire leverage in just one particular call. For example, if you're getting 10x intraday margin in a particular stock, you should not utilize more than 3 to 5x of that particular margin available. Alright, with this we conclude our today's lesson. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Happy trading!